Hello everyone, good morning. This is Pavithkumar, group number 182A, second division. Today we are going to talk about oral cavity and salivary glands. This presentation is supervised by Associate Professor Timchenko Svetlana ma'am. Oral cavity. It is also known as buccal cavity. It is formed by cheeks, lips and palate. It encloses the teeth, tongue and salivary glands. It opens anteriorly to the exterior through lips and posteriorly through into the pharynx. You can see in this picture anterior view of oral cavity and lateral view of oral cavity. Functions of oral cavity. First one, mechanical processing. Second one, moistening. Third one, mixing with salivary glands. Fourth one, swallowing. Motor function of oral cavity. There is two motor function. First one is mastication. Mastication has three phases: resting phase, chewing phase and ingestion phase. These phases are controlled by trigeminal nerve. Second motor function is swallowing. Swallowing has three phases. First one, oral phase. It is a voluntary phase. Second one is pharyngeal phase. It is involuntary. Third one and final one is esophageal stage. It is also involuntary phase. This process are controlled by trigeminal nerve and glossopharyngeal nerve. Now, salivary glands. Actually, saliva is secreted by three pairs of major salivary glands and some minor glands. First one is parotid glands. Parotid glands are largest of all salivary glands. It is secretion from these glands are emptied into the oral cavity by Stenson duct. Second one is submaxillary or submandibular gland. It's located in medial to mandible. This glands is emptied into oral cavity by Werthan's duct. Then third one and final one is sublingual glands. It is the smallest salivary gland of all. It is situated in the mucous floor of the mouth. Each gland weighs about 2 to 3 grams. Saliva from these glands is poured into 5 to 15 small ducts called duct of Rivinus. Then one of the ducts is larger and it's called Bartholin duct. It drains anterior part of the gland and opens cannula sublingually near the opening of submaxillary glands. Then I'll name some minor salivary glands. First one is lingual mucous glands. Second one, lingual serous gland. Third one, buccal glands. Fourth one, labial glands. Fifth one is palatal glands. Now, properties of saliva. Its saliva volume is 1000 to 1500 milliliter secretion from salivary glands per day. Contribution of each salivary gland is parotid gland is contributing 25%, submaxillary gland 70%, sublingual gland 5%. It is slightly acidic. It is a pH value is 6.35 to 6.85. It is a specific gravity value is 1.002 to 1.0012. Composition and functions of salivary glands. Saliva contains 99.5 water and only 0.5% of solids. In solids includes organic substance and inorganic substance. Organic substance are enzyme and enzymes like amylase, maltase and linguolipase, lysosome and kallikrein. And other organic substances are mucin, albumin and immunoglobulin A and non-protein nitrogenases. And inorganic substances are like sodium, calcium, potassium and chloride, fluoride, phosphates, and gases also included that like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. Normally, glucose is absent in saliva, but it is found saliva during diabetes mellitus. Saliva glands have some digestive functions already I mentioned, but it has some non-digestive functions also like role in speech. It is a big part in regulation of body temperature and regulation of speech. Then phases of saliva secretion. It has three phases. First one, cephalic phase, gastric phase, and intestinal phase. Cephalic phases are stimulated by smell, sight, taste, and mastication. It is regulatory pathway by vagal pathways. It is a 25% of saliva are secreted in cephalic phase. Gastric phase are stimulated by destination and gastrin. Regulatory pathway of vagal cholinergic and 10 to 25% of enzyme secretion. And intestinal phase, amino acids and fatty acids and hydrogen ions are stimulated. And secretin and intropharyngetic reflexes of regulatory pathway of intestinal phase. It is 50 to 80% of saliva are secreted by intestinal phase.